Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to change default search engine on Google Chrome browser. Due to some reason, if you want to change the search engine on your Chrome browser, here is how to do it. First, you have to open the Chrome browser on your PC, then click on three dots menu on the top right corner and select settings in the menu, then click on search engine on the left side. After that, you will see search engine used in the address bar. You will see by default Google, or if some malware has changed it, you may see Bing, Yahoo, something else, DuckDuckGo. Here you can select your default search engine and that's it. Nothing you have to do it. Now I search something on a new tab and see if the things has been changed. Now I have searched gear and you can see gear search results appearing through Microsoft Bing search engine. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials and giveaways are awaiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.